welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be making African salad. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to get right into this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's start. So here are the ingredients I'll be using for this salad. That's our green pea, this is tuna fish, and the next is sweet corn. We have baked beans, we have cabbage, we have cucumber, we have carrots, we have eggs, we have sausage, and we also have macaroni. I actually cooked the macaroni. You have to cook your macaroni before using it, you know, right? And fry your sausage. You can boil it as well if you want, but I fry mine and I love it so much. So yeah, let's get right into this. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to comment, and as you're watching right now, don't forget to like. And if you haven't subscribed, you know, now just click that subscribe button, click it. Okay, now let's get right into the video. I'm just kind of like showing you all what I used, and don't worry, just check the description box on the quantity of each and every ingredient I used in this video. Okay, so let's start. I really had fun making this, trust me. I had fun. This is my first time making it. My mom do make it actually, but this is my first time making it myself, and I really had fun, and it came out really nice. So here is our foundation. You add your cabbage first, and after adding your cabbage, you add your macaroni, your cooked macaroni. You add it, then afterwards you add your cucumber, your diced cucumber. Don't worry, in my shawarma video I'll be showing you how to shred your cabbage and how to grate your carrot as well. So this is me adding the carrots that I grated. Yeah, sorry, this is me adding the carrot I grated. So that's basically all you'll be doing for this salad. Just layer each and every one of the ingredients. Like, just all it needs is layering. That's it. This is me slicing my eggs. I sliced in 2 eggs from the beginning. Yeah, so that's all. Trust me, that's all. You can use make sure your hands are clean first off before you start this. You don't want you need personal hygiene, yeah. And if you know your hands are not clean, or you don't trust your fingernails or whatever, just make sure you use gloves, okay? And if you're thinking of using spoon, trust me, it won't be easy using spoon. Just use your hand, okay? So that's me layering again. Next layer, this is the second layer, and that's our macaroni. Add them, just keep adding like that. And trust me, you won't regret making this for yourself and your family. Just try it. Let me know in the comment section. Try it and let me just do. So the next thing I'll be adding is I guess is either the sausage next, or okay. Just keep layering as the spirit leads, yeah. As the spirit leads, and depends on the quantity of the salad you're making, or the quantity of your ingredients. Yeah, so you use your hand just to sprinkle everything like so. Sprinkle it properly. Make sure the tuna fish, you can add like the oil if you want to. I think it's preferable. Some add shrimps, while some add onions and tomatoes. So it depends on what you like. I don't really like eating raw onions, so I didn't add onion and tomatoes as well. So that's fine. You can add it if you want to, or you have to slice or dice them in it. So that's me adding the baked beans. This one you have to use a spoon. You can't use your hand for the baked beans. So that's basically all you have to do, and voila, here it is. This is the final layering, and which is the egg. I actually used 9 eggs for this salad. You can check the description box. Don't forget to check it actually to know the 4 ingredients I used, and the quantity, all the recipes or ingredients like that, quantity I used. So that's basically everything you'll be doing. And after doing all this, you cover it up, then refrigerate it after covering it up, and you can start enjoying your sumptuous, your delicious salad. You can sprinkle pepper, maybe that's after you portion it out to eat. You can sprinkle pepper, maybe like paprika, any kind of pepper you prefer, or grounded pepper anyways. Sprinkle it to have a spicy salad. That's if you want that though. So this is me covering it up to refrigerate. If you have foil paper, you can use that as well. So that's basically what I did. So make sure it's well covered. And here is me portioning. I'm trying to eat, like taste my handiwork now, you know. Trust me, I was really proud of myself. Like when I did this, I was so proud of myself. And I'm thankful for my mom teaching me. Actually, my mom taught me this is a recipe. So you can enjoy it with mayonnaise or salad cream, but here is me using salad cream instead. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below. Let me know if you tried this. Let me just know. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.